Headquarters tonight, Attorney General Josh Stein calling for an investigation into the U.S. Postmaster General over allegations of breaking campaign finance laws.
The accusations stem from when Louis DeJoy ran a High Point-based logistics company. And tonight, some of those questionable donations went to North Carolina politicians.
I thought that the allegations contained in the story were very serious.
North Carolina Attorney General Josh Stein responding to a Washington Post report that current Postmaster General Louis DeJoy encouraged employees at his prior company to donate to certain political candidates. Those employees claim they got bonuses in return.
And so, in effect, he was paying their campaign contributions, which would be a violation of both federal and state election law.
In light of the new accusations against Mr. DeJoy regarding campaign finance, are you calling for an investigation on a state level?
I think whenever there are substantial allegations, serious allegations like this that allege a violation of campaign finance law, it's worthy of investigation by the appropriate federal and state authorities.
Stein says the State Board of Elections would lead any investigation, which his office serves as counsel to. DeJoy served as CEO of New Breed Logistics in High Point. Current Senator Thom Tillis's 2014 campaign received some of the donations in question. His opponent, Cal Cunningham, is calling on those funds to be returned. Senator Tillis's campaign has replied in part saying neither Senator Tillis nor our campaign had knowledge of these findings. If anyone owes North Carolinians some money back, it's Cal Cunningham. DeJoy has been under scrutiny for cuts at the U.S. Postal Service that some worry could affect mail-in voting. Protesters have gathered outside his Greensboro mansion. UNC political science professor Jason Roberts.
And this idea that people are getting around the law by having their employees contribute on their behalf just sort of makes politics look dirty, and it gives people a sense that people with more money have more influence. I mean, it's certainly the case that Mr. DeJoy did rise to prominence in the Republican Party as a big fundraiser.
While not able to comment specifically on the investigation, Stein says the law is clear.
It is against the law to reimburse someone for a campaign contribution, either by a person, in which case you'd be giving in the name of another, or by a corporation. It becomes a straw donor at that point.
And President Trump has said he is open to an investigation into these allegations. DeJoy also is being accused of lying to Congress about this very issue. Now, a spokesperson for DeJoy says in part Mr. DeJoy believes that all campaign fundraising laws and regulations should be complied with in all respects. We've got much more